This is the Waterside Garage. Oh boy, look at this. Here it comes. Oh, whoa, that was cool. I don't know if that was a dinner bell. I mean, not a dinner bell, cowbell, or just dead bell. Bridge. Right into one. Andersonharold elevator. Takes a sweet time to level. Real quick, we'll take a look at that. Andersonharold elevator. Now we'll listen going up to 5. Here are 5. Instant close. The other one's going up. Oh, right, the other car. Bump. Here comes this one. Yep. Did they go down?
They're on. They're on.
Alright, cool.
We'll be back. Let's see if they come down. We're coming back up. Yeah.
Mr. Loudmouth over here. I'm gonna need my video down here.
How many times have I been up and down this elevator?
I don't know. I think the bridge is on 3.
2.
2? Okay.
Alright, so you can end down here and we'll go back up.
Yep. Alright, well those are some exciting elevators. Looks like this one's coming down. Alright. Alright, so now we just rode those 2 elevators.
But it's like...
Guess what? We have more elevators to ride.
Unless totally dilapidated.
Ooh.
Alright.
Here we go. Look, it's sitting up here for us.
Hooray!
This thing looks a lot more crappy.
Whoa.
It's in level.
All right, let's go down to 1.
This one's in. Oh, there we go.
This one's gonna have a good motor.
Andersonharold.
It's probably gonna be slow. Here we go. And I lost it. Stream will not work in here.
This one just looks like a urinal.
It does. This one smells and looks a lot more. Ugh. Let's see. Andersonharold. Okay, here we go.
Look at the teensy little doors to get into the little booths.
All right, motor time.
Be quiet, Andrew. Going up?
Really?
What?
Picking up someone?
I guess.
Weird.
It's just strange.
Going up?
No. Are you guys going up?
We're going up.
I'm gonna try to hop on. I think the button's broken right here, so the down is registry. Sorry, guys.
Oh no, you're fine.
We're not getting in the camera.
What are you guys doing?
Filming the elevator.
We're taking a video of the elevator.
Okay. Why?
We're elevator enthusiasts. It's weird.
I mean, is that really?
Yeah.
It's a big thing on YouTube.
That's what's up. Okay.
Yes,
I'm
yeah.
not hating. That's
I'm
totally
trying to live
cool.
stream, but I'm not getting
I'm into
service in
weird
here.
shit. Okay.
See, I'm not getting any service in here. Once I
Hey,
get off the elevator, I'll be able to get my live stream
I
out.
know, right? See, that's what you need is the solution to the service issue in elevators.
Yeah.
Solve that, and that's marketable.
Yeah.
All right,
We'll
let's,
let you go.
No, I appreciate it. That's cool though.
here's one for you.
Y'all have a good night.
Thanks, you too.
Let's go see the last
Let's go
one.
see the last elevator in this garage.
Oh, it smells out here. Something foodie.
Something
I think
foodie.
the live stream came back now.
You know,
That dude, he's gonna smile on that dude's
That
face.
dude thought it was cool.
he's
You know
high.
what? He's
All right, and here we have the final elevator. There it is. We'll go to the top first. You want to start at the very top, or you want to go? All right.
Actually, we'll get off on one.
Yeah, we'll end at the bottom.
We need to head back to the car.
Why?
I'm getting tired of standing up.
Lazy. We gotta hit more. We gotta hit
Yeah,
those
we have more
Dovers.
garages. Come on, we're having a garage epic. Don't be the spoil of fun.
Hopefully this will keep. We'll see. Yep, it died.
You just talked over the motor.
We're all going up on floor.
We are low on oil.
This will be good.
This will be fun. We're saving the best for last. But Andrew, this time let's not talk over the
I'm not
motor.
gonna talk over the motor. Our up trip was on the way back up.
Imagine if we got stuck in here.
This elevator just did something interesting.
I feel like half of the way your
Trying to
videos
run on
start.
5.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Yeah, just in the middle of a video already. All right, I'll let you run.
This thing's wonderful.
This thing is just. This is the. This
It's
is
clean.
We're saving the best elevator for
Somebody
last.
Kick the door closed button.
That's how you get the door closed. You have to kick it.
Now Jeff said the alarm button in the other one didn't work.
All right, send it up to 5 and let's listen to it.
There's a pig kiosk over there.
Door closed does not work.
There we go.
Was there room back here?
Here we go.
Man.
Wow.
It's low on oil.
Alright, we end at 1?
Yep,
Oh, yeah, we'll end
in at the
one,
bottom.
So
Yeah, somebody did kick that, you're right.
we'll end at 1.
I suppose I shouldn't question your judgment.
You can question my gut judgment. Nothing wrong with doing that.
This was quite the adventure in this little garage.
Yeah, I was being told I couldn't film at the Waterside.
We got your video though.
I did.
That's all that matters. We got kicked out twice in St. Paul, remember?
Yeah, that was
You
fun.
can't take photos for free.
Yeah.
For free.
These are all
You know, like my
Andersonharolds.
to take a
Picture of
of the elevator.
Even though you're probably gonna make quite a bit of ad revenue off it. This thing's weird. Oh, you're doing it.
You're doing that.
All right. There's some other garages to see.
Yeah.
The indicator doesn't work.
Look at all these garages to see here. Look at them all. We haven't even hit all of them yet. We got like 50. We got more to see. All right. Well, that'll be it.